welcome to the second part of the Weekend of Challenge 42. So in this particular part, we'll be in the previous part we had seen a simple directory that is automating the directory process, and now here in this process we'll be seeing how to install the latest updates automatically. That is whatever updates comes, how to install it and verify its integrity before serving it to public and all. We'll be checking that particular thing in this program. So this is again YML program, and let's start. So name is deploy front-end artifacts. Again, host would be web servers in this case as well. And then we have something new here, that is gather facts, which is equal to false. So gather facts is basically collecting all the facts and dependencies so we can run it faster. This is false, we don't need that here. And then followed by all the tasks. So in the task, the name would be download the latest index.html release. So here we're using ansible.builtin.get URL. This is to directly redirect to the URL and then download from the URL. So then the URL is mentioned here. We have to go to this URL, that is index.html, and then destination where we want to save it is basically this particular index.html, whatever the directory we have. And mode is 644. Owner can read and write, and users can just see it. Then followed by force is true. That is basically even if it's already existing, we try to reinstall it again, let it get installed. And then checksum is basically to check the error. So let me run the program now. So you can see it is running now. So yeah, it is, the changes have been done, all the changes have been updated. So production and web stages, both the changes have been updated. OK is equal to 1 and change is 0. So nothing has been failed. So let me submit the program now. The test case have passed, and that's it for this video. I'll see you next video. Thank you.